Marty and Avrum, the food guys are back, and we're glad to be with an old friend. Not old in stature, but old in personality.
Pretty much everything.
Yes, and you're from Washington
State.
State, and you love food.
I love food.
Yes. So you were here at the Jerusalem. What did you have? As much as you can remember.
I had a glass
Thank you very much.
I
That's
had-
been great.
I had a glass of wine.
Yes, you did.
And I had a plate full of appetizers,
Right.
including my favorite was the baba ganoush,
Yes.
which was really which is a roasted eggplant dip, and it was really smoky and just the way it's supposed to be.
Right.
And I had some olives and some corn salad. And God only
Did
knows.
you try the rack of lamb?
Well, that's my first plate was appetizers.
Appetizers.
Yeah, so I helped myself to plenty of appetizers. And then,
Yes.
having eaten all of that, I then went to the next course, which
Right.
I had the lamb shank.
Lamb shank.
And I think I had some more tzatziki and some more a mint. It's
Right.
a mint and herb kind of a salad with
Wow,
parsley.
you ate a lot of
Parsley.
those.
I did eat.
Why do you love food so much?
Well, who can answer that question? Well, I like food a lot. I like good food.
Yes, you do, and you love good
don't
food.
like ordinary
And you're a good
food.
chef too, right?
I'm a pretty good cook.
Last night you went to a restaurant. It was called Leila.
Leela.
Leela. How was that food? Leela.
Well, you're going to think I'm just a one-trick pony that all I can do is rave about food, but it was really excellent. We
Was
had
it good?
a really excellent Indian meal. Very different, slightly modernized, I
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
dishes and recipes. Excellent, excellent,
Wonderful.
excellent meal.
What did you have? You had some chicken?
We had some, believe it or not, I was reluctant, but some buttered chicken, which is probably the
Oh, yeah.
most ordinary dish you could
Yeah,
have.
you went ordinary.
But not theirs. It was really good, really kind of
Great.
smoky also. And we had a chicken tikka that was the Afghanistani version with yogurt and a dill sauce, I think. And we had wonderful papadums and
Papadums,
naan and chutneys
Wow.
and oh god, a spinach paneer
Spinach
with
cheese.
paneer cheese
Yeah,
and I think
yeah.
chicken was in it.
Linda?
I'm exhausted
Linda
just telling
Brewster, all
you.
she's done is eat. No. But we've enjoyed having you here in Toronto, and you've heard of Marty and Avrum, of course.
Marty who?
Marty who? Avrum who? Well, and your favorite food is?
Oh, my favorite food is Marty.
Yeah, you can eat me anytime. I'm very eatable. Marty and Avrum, the food guys, live at Jerusalem Restaurant.